We had a horrendous storm yesterday. They call them pop-up thunderstorms. This one was a doozy. And as you can see, my flower pot tower did not survive it. The flowers and everything are okay. The pots are okay. They did not break. Surprising. And what I'm going to do is have Bruce drill a hole in the bottom of that big kettle, and then when we put the rebarb in, we can hammer it down into the ground, and hopefully that will stabilize it. And here's the pot that went over. And I'd say we lucked out that nothing broke. And I'm sure it's because this was all a jungle. And when it went over, it landed on something soft. This is the storm we had early this afternoon. And we have 2 3/4 inches of rain. That was a lot, and it all came at one time. I'm just like yesterday. It was blowy, and it just was bad, you know, really bad. And I don't know where all of you live, but you can get these bad storms when you're having high 80s and 90 temperatures. This tower I took apart because we wanted to move it, and I hadn't gotten it together again, and I didn't get it together again before the storm struck. So I got pots there, and I got pots over here, and the flowers are looking pretty good. The coxcombs are blooming, and I knew they were coxcombs. These other two, they're either Sweet Williams or they are straw flowers, and they both could be the same. They could be different, but I guess we'll find out eventually what they really are. Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.